sister. She's like this. Don't move. I'm not holding the camera very still. I thought she was giving her 11. Look at her. Pi's mean.
She's like, let me screw up again.
Kinsey, get her back.
Get her back. Get on the floor and get her.
Get her back, Kinsey.
John, earlier, Pi would smack Kinsey like this, like swing her arms around, and then she'd clap and distract Kinsey, then she'd go back at her and smack her in the face.
Look. Easy, 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 girls. It's not like Pi said, I gotcha.
Not me!
Come on, Piggy.
Love me, Pi.
Pi,
Get
Pi,
her.
come
Get
on.
her.
Get her, Pi, get her, get her. Come on, Piggy.
Turn cartoons off.
No, let her watch them.
Get her, Kinsey.
Audrey, get her. Aww.
I'm headbutt your ass.
Audrey said, I gotta get some kind of leverage. She's too little. No, Audrey, don't touch. Come here, Audrey, play with
It
sister.
was funny before you started doing it for attention.
Shh, don't scream.
You're gonna wake the neighbor. She said no, Kinsey.
Oh, Kinsey. No, that's enough. She's done.
Come here, Pi. Come here.
Audrey's hitting herself now. Yay. Kinsey, that's enough. She's done. See, she wants you to clap. Yay.
Now tell her you love her.
Audrey tricks her. That's what she was doing earlier. Audrey would like clap for a minute and get Kinsey to look away. Kinsey would look away from Pi and Pi'd sneak her. Bam! She'd hit her again. It's so funny. Audrey. Audrey, play with sister.
Get her, Pi, get her.
No. Audrey. No. My butt.
Get her, Pi, get her.
All done.